Love science and look for it in everyday life? Want to pursue a career in science but don't know exactly what that career may look like? That's okay. At the University of Waterloo, we can help you identify all sorts of science career pathways. Science doesn't only lead to becoming a doctor or working in a lab conducting research, although these are two very common pathways for science enthusiasts like you. It can lead to becoming an entrepreneur, an astronaut, a lawyer, a data analyst, a pilot, a teacher, a financial analyst, and so much more. The opportunities are endless, and that's because science equips you with the skills you need to succeed. A science program is more than just attending lectures. It's also discovering, developing, and testing concepts through labs, fieldwork, and your own research projects. Oh, and did we mention co-op work terms? Gain real-world experience while earning your science degree from Waterloo, where we have the largest co-op program of its kind in the world. Most of our science programs offer co-op, where you can get paid and graduate with almost 2 years of work experience. That's an advantage you can literally put on your resume. You'll not only become a whiz in the lab, but you'll also gain countless skills that are transferable to other fields, like analytical, critical thinking, and communication skills that are essential in business or education. You'll be prepared for careers in industry, government, or even starting your own business. Scientific skills apply to more than what you see in labs. Our alumni have made outstanding contributions around the world, including numerous discoveries in genetics, founding medical companies, creating platforms that are used to track infectious disease outbreaks, and leading Canadian Red Cross initiatives. Anything's possible at the University of Waterloo. From research and consulting to product development and communications, it's up to you and what you want. You have so many options available to you, and you can explore them in the Faculty of Science. With this foundational degree, uniquely tailored to your interests, you'll enjoy discovering science and the many exciting opportunities it'll provide you. The sky's the limit, or maybe it isn't. Welcome, future scientist. What will you do with your science degree?